Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by deciding format and focus. This matters because it determines habit durability. Pick a notebook or app, then define one clear purpose: gratitude, plans, or project notes. Once done, set a short timer for 10-15 minutes and write your first entry: date, 3 bullets about today, and 1 small reflection. Make sure to use a simple heading style so retrieval is fast, and keep the first page lightweight to remove friction for your next session. You now create a repeatable layout that scales. Consistency reduces decision fatigue. Start every entry with date and a 1-line mood, then record key wins followed by 1-3 next steps. Once that's in place, add shorthand symbols and color tags for tasks, ideas, and follow-ups so scanning is instant. Make sure to maintain an index or tag list that lets you link related entries and find patterns. Over time, this structure accelerates reflection. You finish the setup by scheduling reviews and simplifying what doesn't work. Every week, scan entries to capture insights and migrate unfinished tasks to today's list. Once comfortable, tweak cadence, daily, 3 times per week, or weekly so it fits your life. If momentum stalls, reduce friction, shorten prompts, switch formats, or add a reminder. One key troubleshooting tip: when you miss too often, cut the session to 3 minutes and only jot 1 sentence. This often restarts the habit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.